Hello and welcome back to Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be learning how you can join a group on the GroupMe app. But before getting started, remember to support our channel. First of all, go ahead and open GroupMe app on your mobile. Once you open the app, you'll be met with a similar interface as this. Now, on the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to see the Explore icon. Simply tap on it. Now you can explore or discover new group chats that you can join. As you can see, these are all the trending group chats on the GroupMe app currently. You can also join a public group. As you can see under the nearby, there is your address. You can change it and set it to a different location and join the groups that are near your location. You can also create a public group by simply tapping on the create a public group option. However, if you want to join a group, you'll be able to see a join button beside the group chat that you'd like to join. Go ahead and tap on the join button. If this group has set a certain rules or regulations for you to be able to join this group, you'll be asked a series of questions that you'll have to answer. As you can see on this group chat, I'll have to enter my age and tap on the send button that appears on the top right corner of my screen. Now my join request will be sent and the admin of this group will review the request and help me join this group chat. And this is how you can join a group chat on GroupMe. You can also search for a group chat by simply tapping on the search icon that appears on the top right corner. Enter the name of the group chat, and again you'll be able to see the join button beside this group chat. If you tap on it, a joint request will be sent to this group chat, and after being reviewed and accepted, you'll be able to join this group. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.